Take the photographs and still frames in your mind. Hang them on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, I hope it's worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.